Last time we had asked how to download utorrent and install it and start downloading things and torrenting things with it. We just go straight to the point. We'll open our browser. Just type utorrent. So we'll go to the official website of utorrent. Let's try the other one. Yes, so this is the one, utorrent.com. So we go here for the utorrent classic. There are two utorrents, the web and the classic. You want the classic, we'll go for the free. Yes, it's finished. We just open it and install it. Just click next, next, next. So if you don't want this Opera thing, you just decline. And then accept, and then next, and it will install automatically. As you can see, you just wait for a few minutes depending on your internet speed, then launch it. We'll just wait for it to open. As you can see, it's the shortcut, it's on your desktop. We cancel this. As you can see, it has just downloaded. So this is the look of it. So if you want to know how to download things using it, just check off the video which I showed people how to download movies with Pirate Bay, which is one of the websites which you can torrent with it using this application we have installed. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and see you on the next one.